The Indian scrubland is a theater of ancient rivalries.
The mongoose is a small predator with a massive heart.
Cobra slithers through dry, rustling leaves. Nearby, the cobra moves with silent, lethal grace. Height is a tool for the yellow mongoose to spot hidden threats.
The cobra detects its target through thermal sensing.
A fearless, quick mongoose freezes, spotting the dark, patterned scales of a python in the dappled sunlight.
The cobra displays its hood as a warning of death. The cobra is a master of focus and timing.
The mongoose seeks an angle of attack away from the fangs.
The cobra adjusts its coil to match the mongoose's path. The cobra keeps its weapon pointed directly at the mammal.
A feint. The mongoose is testing the cobra's speed.
The cobra is fast, but the mongoose is faster.
Mongoose chirps a high-pitched warning at the cobra. A display of fearlessness from the mongoose.
The cobra is calculating the distance for a true strike.
Vision is the primary defense for the mongoose.
Cobra strikes again, hitting the ground with a thud. Every missed strike by the cobra wastes vital energy.
The mongoose nips at the side of the cobra's hood, looking for a way to disable it.
The cobra is becoming agitated by the mongoose.
A slender, quick-moving Javan mongoose circles the other way, reversing the flow. Dust swirl.
Chemical signals tell the cobra that the mammal is close.
The dwarf mongoose uses the environment to its advantage.
Cobra follows the mongoose with its hooded gaze. The cobra's concentration is absolute.
The calm before the storm. In this ancient dance, the slightest hesitation can mean the difference between life and death.
The cobra launches a series of rapid-fire strikes, attempting to overwhelm the mongoose's senses.
Mongoose dodges every strike with a twist of its spine. Swoosh swoosh reflexes that defy physics. The dwarf mongoose is untouchable. Cobra lunges and misses, exposing its long neck. The cobra is overreaching, leaving itself vulnerable.
The mongoose is playing a dangerous game of exhaustion.
The cobra uses its entire length as a physical barrier.
The mongoose has an incredible vertical leap. A towering display of power from the cobra. A close call for the meerkat, mere inches from the cobra's deadly venom.
Balance is everything in the Indian gray mongoose's fighting style.
The cobra is beginning to feel the heat of the fight.
Mongoose is relentless, never allowing the cobra to rest. Constant pause. Persistence is the mongoose's greatest strategy.
The cobra realizes it needs a better defensive position. Mongoose cuts off the cobra's path to the bush. Quick blocker! The mongoose dictates where this battle will happen.
The cobra is desperate now, aiming for any contact.
Mongoose ducks under the strike and nips the cobra's belly. The mongoose starts to wear down the snake's underbelly. The S-curve defense. The cobra is protecting its spine.
The mongoose is looking for a way into the coil. The cobra's fastest strike yet.
Cobra wobbles for a second, hood slightly drooping. The cobra is becoming dazed by the constant movement.
Mongoose stays at a safe distance, watching for the reset. Patience. The mongoose knows the end is near.
The cobra is looking for an escape, not a win.
The mongoose pounces on the cobra's midsection. The mongoose is now engaging in physical combat.
The cobra tightens its grip, its muscles straining to overcome the mongoose. But the mongoose is relentless.
The mongoose slips out of the grip like liquid. The mongoose is too agile to be caught in a coil.
Cobra stands up for one last, massive strike. The cobra puts all its remaining strength into one move.
Cobra strikes fully forward, belly touching the dirt. The cobra has overextended, its head is on the ground.
Seizing the moment, the mongoose locks its grip on the cobra's neck. The struggle is far from over, but the advantage is clear.
The death struggle. The cobra fights for its life.
Cobra's body slowly stops thrashing and goes limp, soft settling. The life leaves the cobra. The predator has fallen.
A dwarf mongoose keeps its grip for 30 seconds to be sure. Rhythmic breath instinct. The dwarf mongoose takes no chances with a snake.
Mongoose releases the cobra and steps back. The mongoose catches its breath after the battle. The mongoose is a fastidious hunter.
The prize is heavy, but the mongoose is strong. The fallen king. The cobra is now mere a meal. A banded mongoose pauses to look at the sky, sniffing. Deep inhale, checking for eagles. The kill is now a target for others.
Safety. The mongoose prefers to eat in the shadows.
The high-protein reward for the mongoose's bravery.
DNA of a killer. The mongoose is built for this.
They are immune to the poison when digested.
A second Indian grey mongoose, mate, arrives to share the meal. The kill provides for the Indian grey mongoose family.
The two animals tear at the cobra's muscular body. A feast that will last the mongoose pair for days.
The scavengers wait for the mongoose to finish cobra meat. The mongoose does not share until it is finished. Survival is a daily task for the mongoose.
The cycle of the cobra also continues.
The mongoose survives by a margin of millimeters.
Anatomy of agility. The mongoose has a skeletal structure built for speed. The king cobra uses intimidation as its first line of defense. The heartbeat thuds. Focus is absolute. The mongoose processes visual data at high speed.
Every failed strike is a victory for the mongoose's stamina.
The cobra's neurotoxin is designed to shut down the nervous system.
The climax of the battle. Precision meets predatory instinct.
The cobra's tail lashing out in a final, rhythmic spasm. Even in death, the cobra's body reflects its muscular power.
The triumph of the underdog. The hunter has claimed the prize. Tools of the trade. Designed for a single, fatal puncture.
This yellow mongoose has cleared its home of a major threat. Recovery. The mongoose must cool down after the intense exertion.
A reminder, the cobra is still one of the world's most lethal snakes.
An ancient war that has played out for millions of years. The face of a fearless hunter.
The yellow mongoose, with its striking coat, is nature's serpent slayer.
Subscribe for more stories of the fearless.